Now, I knew there were some high winds earlier, but how am I going to get that back with one hand? Motherfuckers. So this is totally unprotected from the top. Oh shit, there's another one there. What the hell, boys? Where did that one come? That's come off that side. Bloody hell. What fucking hell. Oh, lads, you're all a bit bedraggled. Wonky, look at you. Well, at least these two sheets are still on. I knew it was gusty earlier, but fucking hell, that's 3 panels gone. Come on, boys. Let's go check on the kids. Fuck. Fuckity fuck. Oh, ladies. You need to come up on the top, really, don't you? I'll give you a lift up. Okay, wait a minute. We've got one. Oh, there's one at the back. Can't have a nesting on the floor, can we? I'm not surprised you're hungry. Oh my goodness. Oh, babies. This has got to be my favourite. Little tiny one. Oh, sorry kids. Have you got enough food? Yes. Have you got enough food? I have to change that water. Oh, boys. What a nightmare. You look like you need to get a hairdryer. Oof. God damn it. Oh, there's another food thing down there. There we go. Oh, babies. You need some more as well. It's been absolutely hoying it down with rain as well. There we go, kids. Whoop, 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 whoop. You all alright? Okay. Everything's blown away, got washed away. I know! Wanda's two little ones are too small to obviously get from the ground up. What's happening? The geese have come in as well. Hello. Right, boys. You go to bed. Get yourself dry. Oh, rocky, bedraggled looking roosters. Look at Wonky. Wonky, mate, you're all soggy. Oh. God bless you. Come on, you three. Let's leave them to it. Fucking hell, the rain's coming down again. What to do? Eva, you look soggy as well. Ah, shit. My hand hurts. Ah. Come on then. Where did Dottie go? Dottie's almost in bed. That's good. And the rain's coming down. Eva, you look bedraggled. I don't think she's ever been the same since she got bit by the fox. Ooh! Go on then. Go on. Well done. Let's get you another scoop of food. Hi, Diego. Oh god, there's a fucking river going on. Ah! the fuck am I going to get that one back? Ah! I'm in my pyjamas. Come on, boys. Get inside. Oh, here we go. Right. See you tomorrow. Oh, God. Well done, you two. Know the drill. Fucking hell. I'll give them a scoop as well. How am I going to get these fence panels back? Or this roof panels? I have no idea. Ooh, there you go. Night night, keep dry.